Hey guys, Ivan here. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Febreze Blossom and Breeze test kit. So basically it's a non-energized scented oil diffuser if you don't know what it is. This is just like a free promotional sample I got to unbox. Do not peel a cartridge, basically this is how to use it. And essentially all it does is freshens up the air in your house. Okay, so let me just open it up. I'm not the neatest of openers, especially when it comes to using just one hand. Okay, so this is what comes inside of the package. Okay, one of these. So let me just take this out. Insert this side up. No peeling, no cutting. And this is just the holder. So I'm guessing that you just pop it in, it clicks. Okay. And on the back here it says, hold cartridge curved side up and insert. Increase freshness by holding sides and pulling firmly down the base. So now let me just... it smells quite nice. Okay, so this was an unboxing of the Febreze Blossom and Breeze flavoured scent. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys have stinky toilets or rooms in the house, I would recommend this. Subscribe, hit the button down there, leave a like, leave a comment, and yeah, peace out.